Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn off ang professional mode sa ating Facebook account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan, for today's video, gagamit muna tayo ng Facebook application and make sure na updated yung app na gagamitin natin. So ayan, i-open ko rin yung aking Facebook app. And then pagka-open, pumunta agad tayo sa mismong timeline or profile ng ating Facebook. So tap nyo lang yung profile. And then dito sa pinakang profile ng ating account, kung naka-professional mode dyan, ganito yung lalabas. So nandito yung followers and then yung following, and meron kayong mga dashboard. So para naman ma-turn off ang professional mode ng ating Facebook, hanapin nyo lang yung 3 horizontal dots na malapit dito or katabi ng C dashboard. So tap nyo lang. And then, lalabas yung profile settings ng inyong Facebook and hanapin nyo lang dito yung turn off professional mode. So, ayan, nandito siya malapit sa baba. Tap nyo lang. And then, tap nyo lang yung continue. And then, tap nyo lang yung turn off. So, ayan, once na tinap nyo yan, automatic naka-turn off na yung ating professional mode. So, balik tayo dito sa ating Facebook profile. And kung makikita nyo, refresh ko lang. Naging basic mode na siya katulad nito. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-turn off ang professional mode ng ating Facebook account. If you have a question, comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.